How to fix phone screen flickering. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this problem. There might be a few reasons why your phone screen is flickering. So the first one being your hardware. So if you are having any trouble with your screen hardware, then there's nothing you can do from inside your phone. In that case, you'll just have to take it to a repair shop. But if there are any problems with your software, then the first thing you do is simply go ahead and open up with your phone settings. Once settings is open, scroll down until you see the developers option. If you don't see it, tap on the about phone option. Now from here, you can just go ahead and tap on the software information. And from here, you could just keep tapping on this build number. And once it says your developer's mode is on, just go back. And then from here, scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find the developers option. Once you get here, all you have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this option where it says, where you have an option to change this profile HWI rendering, and right below that you'll have this option called disable HW overlays. So if this settings is turned on, you just want to turn this one off and then give your phone a restart. After that, your problem should be fixed. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.